SuperCar!
Carnival of Fantasies!
I am the crane, the mighty crane, a stretched boom like a long arm, with a big hook for a powerful look. Ooh.
Wow, Alex! You look just like a singer!
It's my dream to be a singer. So, Speedy, what's your dream?
My dream? To be the fastest race car, of course!
Yeah, go for it. And our dreams will surely come true.
Dream? Well, my dream is to defeat the SuperCars! Check out my latest invention! Sheep Car! Go ahead! Give him illusions!
Look, I found a dinosaur egg!
You monster! Let's fight! Yeah!
I'm a dancing garbage truck!
Whoa, watch out! Huh? What's going on? Control center! Barry, Timmy, look! Everybody's acting weird!
Oh no! Oh no! That's Dr. Matt's invention, Sheep Car. Its eyes can hypnotize people and put them in a trance.
But you look fine, Alex. Why is that?
I don't know.
Because he's wearing sunglasses, so it didn't work on him.
Oh, I see.
Alex, I'll leave this problem to you and Lucky. SuperCars?
Get ready!
Mission received! SuperCars, transform! Mighty Crane, Alex!
Flying ambulance, Lucky!
SuperCars, go! Whoa, watch out!
Grandpa Andrew, what are you doing?
I'm painting! It's my dream!
La la la, I have a dream. La la la, be a painter. La la la, I love to paint just like I dreamt. Oh no, no, you're just in a trance. Oh no, it's time to wake up.
Oh, what am I doing?
La la la, I have a dream. La la, to visit the scene. La la la, I love to surf. Look at me surfing.
Oh no, you're just in a trance. Oh no, it's time to wake up.
Why am I here?
I have a dream. To spread my wings. Sail through the clouds, soaring through the skies.
Oh no, you're just in a trance. Oh no, it's time to wake up. It's terrible. Everyone is trapped in their fantasies.
Yeah, we gotta save him.
Mighty Crane stretches his arm, plunk to help everyone.
Ambulance will spread her wings, I'll fly and wake you up.
La, illusions go away. La, everyone wake up. Oh, I've got an idea. Sheep Car, now it's your turn to dream on. Ba, you have a dream. Ba, you're in a field. Ba, you're a real sheep, jumping everywhere.
Construction Vehicle Skills Competition.
Together we have built another fantastic house.
Whoa, this is great.
Thanks to me, you guys can work on the land considering I leveled it so thoroughly for you.
Huh? Kubo, what are you talking about? Without me mixing the cement, how could you build a house?
All of those heavy stones and sand were lifted by me. I made a major contribution. I'm the best construction vehicle. I made a huger contribution. I'm the best construction vehicle.
No, it should be me.
Aw, come on now. Why don't we find someone else to comment on it?
Then we should find the most unbiased one.
I agree.
Sheriff Lake, you are the most unbiased car in Happy Town. Can you tell us who is the best construction vehicle?
Well, I think you're all pretty great.
No, you must choose the best one.
That's right.
I've got it. Why not have a construction vehicle skills competition?
Huh? Good idea!
No problem.
Calling the control center!
Kubo, what happened?
I'll compete with Alex and Raber. Please help me transform!
We want to transform too.
Huh? Oh, I thought there was some important mission.
The competition is important too!
Exactly.
All right. Supercars?
Let's all get ready.
Mission received.
Supercars, transform!
Iron Arm Digger, Kubo!
Hercules Crane, Alex! Colorful mixer truck, Raber! Supercars, go!
Round 1, pole digging competition.
Let's compete and see who's the strongest. The champion is me, Iron Arm Digger. I have a strong shovel. I dig rocks and dig earth. I am the winner.
Kubo wins. Round 2, lifting competition.
Let's compete and see who's the strongest.
The champion is me, Hercules Crane. My big hook has much power. I lift up and put down. I am the winner.
Congratulations, Alex. Round 3, cement mixing competition.
Let's compete and see who is strongest.
The champion is me, colorful mixer. I have a big roller. The cement is all done. I am the winner.
Raber wins.
Yay!
We all won a round, so who is the best engineering vehicle?
Let's compete and see who is strongest. Let me think a bit. Who's the one in first? Is it Crane?
Me?
Or Digger?
Me?
And Mixer Truck? Me? You are the strongest team.
What? The strongest as a team?
Yes, you guys work together to fix a road.
Wow! We
really are awesome.
That's right. You're the best when you're together.
We are
Best engineering vehicle team!
The strange windy car.
It's a nice day today.
I'm also enjoying this nice weather.
The sun makes me feel so warm. I feel so comfortable.
Alex!
Huh? What happened, Latoot Toot?
My kite got stuck in the tree. Can you help me get it down?
No problem. But there's no wind today. It's not suitable for flying a kite.
Look, it's windy. Save me, Alex.
Huh? Latoot-toot, hold on! How come it suddenly got so windy?
I can't let you enjoy the lovely weather. Yeah, try my windy car. Yeah.
Be careful. I wonder where the wind comes from. Everyone, get in the house! Control center! Barry, in the city, a windy car is wreaking havoc. Look!
Oh no! The city's in danger! We must hurry up! Supercars?
Yep, ready.
Mission received!
Supercars, transform! Hercules Crane, Alex!
Iron Arm Digger, Turbo!
Flying ambulance, Angie.
Supercars, go!
The wind blows, the wind howls, it lifts cars up off the ground. Danger, danger, be careful, we must help the town right now. Big long arm reaches out, powerful crane is here now. My big hook swings up and down, you will all be safe and sound.
I'm coming to catch you!
Big shovel, turn around. Digger has so many arms. Clang, clang, get ready. 1, 2, 3, rely on me. I'm coming!
My big wings beating fast. Ambulance is here at last. Flying, flying to your side. Hold on tight, let's all ride.
Is everyone safe?
Yes, the windy car is back. We have to stop its fan. Got it. We can use honey to stick it.
Swing my hook,
Swing my claw.
I fly and I flap my wings.
wind blows like a hurricane. Don't give up and don't let go.
We failed. Let's try again.
Swing my hook,
Swing my claw.
I fly and I flap my wings.
wind blows like a hurricane. Don't give up and don't let go.
His fan is stuck.
We did it!
Yay!
What? I failed? This is impossible! Windy car keeps spinning! Oh, no!
The mini car chase!
Good morning, Perry.
Hi, Sheriff Lake. Are you here for the upgrade experience?
That's right.
Come on in.
Is it here?
Yeah. This upgrade will make your body stronger.
Oh. Whoa, this is cool.
Sheriff Lake, are you ready?
Let's do it. Huh? What's happening?
I think I pressed the wrong button.
Barry, why have I become so small?
Sheriff Lake, I'm really sorry. The upgrade failed. You must wait 3 hours to return to normal.
Huh?
Barry, hurry up! I've received an SOS!
Let's go. What happened, everyone?
Barry, Our jewels and gold coins are all gone.
What? Did anyone see the thief?
I saw the thief. He's a very small car. He can go into the sewer.
Huh? How could there be such a strange car?
You'll never guess it. That's my new invention, the mini car. I'm going to steal all the jewels and gold coins.
Huh. It's Dr. Matt messing around again. I'm going to let him know how wrong it is to steal.
Yes!
Today I'm a mini police car. Barry, I need some help.
No problem. Supercars?
Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform!
Jumping taxi, Nina.
Ultra radar police car, Lake.
Rocket race car, Cyclone! Supercars, go!
This is the first time I've become so small. It's so fantastic.
Everyone get ready. Let's go.
The sewer has many paths, where is the mini car? We'll split it up and search around, we will find him for sure. Target, target, there he is, stop running here and there. One circle and then again, I just got lost here.
Every robot I get, though I know them all so well. Just keep moving and you'll find where the exit is.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna be washed away!
There's a switch over there.
Watch me.
Jumping wheels are bouncing. You're driving sorry. Putting the spinning. Trouble is on.
Radar goes beep beep beep, the car lights are flashing. Target is ahead, I will not catch him. Engine goes boom boom boom, and I go vroom vroom vroom. Wheels spinning fast, I will get him soon.
I'm the fastest Cyclone!
Let's all work the way out, no escape. The big net is cast,
The target is trapped.
Great! All the jewels are here! Huh? My gold coins are back too!
Yeah, another problem perfectly solved.
No, I don't think it's perfect. Look, we haven't changed back yet.
I don't want to be a mini race car forever! Whoa!
Huh. Now it's perfect.
The museum commotion.
Wow! It's a T-Rex fossil!
Oh, let's take turns to play T-Rex.
Yeah, sounds fun!
The scary T-Rex is coming to you. Roar!
I'm so scared! Run fast!
Huh? Roar! I'm coming! Ouch! Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Well, no chasing and playing around in the museum.
Oh.
McToot-Toot! Aren't you the mightiest T-Rex? How come you fell down?
The T-Rex is angry now. I'm going to catch you. The T-Rex is here! Oh no!
Help! Oh no! We've caused big trouble!
What do we do? So terrible!
Me too.
I need backup, Control Center!
Angie, what's the matter?
I'm at the museum. There's been an accident. Take a look.
Don't worry, there's nothing we can't solve. SuperCars!
Get ready.
Mission received.
Supercars, transform! Hercules Crane, Alex!
Flying ambulance, Angie.
Colorful mixer truck, Raver.
Supercars, go!
Oh, the museum's a mess.
Mess.
Oh, the dinosaur fossils are gone.
Oh, broken!
Oh, all the statues have fallen down. Oh, we need to act right now. Hey ho hey, I extend my long, long arm.
So strong.
Hey ho hey, I lift up the big, big
Awesome.
stones. Hey ho hey, let's go find them dinosaur fossils. Hey ho hey, let's build the pieces up.
It's done!
Wow, the T-Rex is back!
What about the statues?
Watch my magic show.
Okey poke, the big drum is spinning round.
Round.
Okey poke, colorful cement comes out.
So beautiful.
Okey poke, the small cracks are fixed all up. Okey poke, back to the first look.
Wow, it's magical.
Here I come. I'm spreading my wings to fly. Here I come. Please don't fear if you are hurt.
Don't be afraid.
I am here. Healing rays are here to help. I am here. Let the pain be gone.
Hey, awesome! Now, let's work together to restore the museum as it was. Okay!
Ooh la la, where to put the dinosaur? Ooh la la, put it in the middle spot. Ooh la la, where to put the statues? Ooh la la, hurry put it on the side. Ooh la la, supercars save the day. Ooh la la, everything is back again.
Toy blocks everywhere!
Oh no, I'm going to be late!
Slow down, Ben. You're going too fast.
Oh, Sheriff Lake, I'm in a hurry to deliver goods!
Huh? Ben, be careful ahead! Why are there so many big blocks?
Well, I'm going to be late this time.
What's going on?
What happened over there?
Don't worry, everyone. I'll ask Alex to help clean up the blocks.
I'm coming!
Wow, you came just in time.
Don't worry. Leave it to me. All right, the road is clear.
Alex, good job. Let me through.
Huh?
Huh? Why are there more blocks?
Who on earth is building blocks in the middle of the road?
Of course it's me. Come on, let my toy block car play with you.
Sheriff Lake, look!
So it was you! Huh? It's dangerous! Everyone run! Control center! Barry, Timmy, Dr. Man invented a toy block car. It's causing chaos in the city.
We must hurry up.
Right!
Supercars,
Get ready!
Mission received. Supercars, transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Late!
Hercules Braid, Alex!
Supercars, go!
Clang, 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 my Armstrong, I can clear the way. All the big and small blocks, I put them in place. Beep, 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 my radar spins round. Don't worry, don't be scared, I'm here to help you out. Blocks, blocks, put them away. Cars, cars, go on your way.
Let's catch the toy block car!
Okay. Blocks, blocks, change and change, walls are popping out. Long arm goes clank, 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 blocks are falling down. Blocks, blocks, change and change, a maze pop right out. Start the radar, beep, 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 the exit is found. You're out of options this time.
Oh no, we underestimated him.
Blocks, blocks, change, 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 thump, 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 all fall down. Danger, danger, run, run, run. Be careful and do watch out. Blocks, blocks, change and change. Sheriff Lake has got a plan. Big net, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Catch the blocks all in a flash. Blocks, blocks, change and change. Big Crane Alex has a plan. The big hook is full of strength. Find the target and attack.
Leave this mischievous toy block car to me. But how should we deal with all these blocks?
I have an idea. Let's collect them and build a block amusement park.
Oh, that sounds good.
That must be really fun! We'll hope too!
Attack of Octopus Car.
One, two, heave ho! 1, 2, heave ho! Yay, you finally got out of the big hole.
Thank you so much, Sheriff Lake.
You're welcome. Be careful out there. Hi, May.
Hello, Lake. Huh?
I'm sorry, I've made the street dirty.
Huh. Sheriff Lake, do you know what day it is today? Today is City Cleanup Day. We must all ensure that the city is clean. We must not overlook any corner.
All right, May, I'll take a bath right now.
Great. I should go clean up the park now.
You want to keep the city clean and tidy? I will make it dirty and super messy! Octopus Car, it's your turn!
Someone help me! I can't move!
I'm clean now. I bet I'm the cleanest car on the street. Oh, who is it? Oh my goodness! Control Center!
Sheriff Lake, what happened?
There's an octopus car squirting ink everywhere, and this ink is sticky and dirty. Ugh, look at this.
Uh-oh! We need to clean up the ink right away. Supercars?
Get ready!
Mission received!
Supercars, transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Lake!
Hercules Crane, Alex!
Spiral Sprinkler Grove!
Supercars, go!
With the long arm and big power, I lift any car with ease. If you need help, don't you worry, all the supercars are here.
Everyone is safe. Grandpa Grove, it's your turn.
Piece of cake!
Spinning, spray, splash and splatter, I can clean up everywhere. I increase the water power, now the streets are clean and clear.
Grandpa Grove, be careful! Stop! Don't run!
My duty is to protect. I speed up and I chase him down. Left and right, I'm on my way. A supercar will save the day. Oh no, I can see the road. Start the radar, here we go. There's the target. Hurry up and shoot my net. Action real quick.
Whoa! I caught a big octopus.
Oh?
Raindrops, enter pad. Washing all the houses and street. Raindrops, hit her pat. All the air becomes so fresh. The sun, it is out. The city looks green and lovely. The sun, it is out. Every corner's bright and clean.
Look, a rainbow.
Whoa!
Useless octopus car! I'll do it myself! Supercars, I'm going to own you!
This hole is not filled yet.
Somebody help me!
The Super Magnet Car.
Want to see my new invention? Ta-da! It is the Super Magnet Car! Yeah, let me show you how powerful it is. Here. Get all the cars out of Happy Town once and for all!
Hey, you ran a red light! Oh no! I'm about to run a red light too! What's happening? Oh!
What's happening?
Latutu, where are you going?
I don't know! Help me!
I'm out of control too! Control center!
I need help!
Kobo, what happened?
A strange magnet car is sucking away all the cars on the street!
Huh? Oh no! Looks like it wants to take all the cars away from Happy Town.
stop it.
Supercars?
Yep, ready.
Mission received!
Supercars, transform! Iron Arm Digger Kubo!
Hercules Braid, Alex!
Supercars, go!
I stretch out my arm, clang, clang, clang.
I swing my shovel, bang, bang, bang.
Turn, turn, turn the wheels, rum, rumble. We're going to attack, go, go, go. Wobble, wobble, unsteady. Panic out of energy. Beware, beware, don't get close. Grab the tree and don't let go.
Hang in there. They need us.
Dig a dig a dig with my claw. I will hold you tight, won't let go.
I grab you and hold with my hook. I will save you here with the pole.
We did it.
Everyone, hide up! Stop looking, we're
I
here!
raise up my big shovel and I swing my great big hook. Grab this boulder, I'm ready. But the magnet car's lucky.
Let's get a little closer.
Forward, forward, here we go.
Let me stand close to you.
Clang goes the shovel.
Swing, swing goes the hook.
We defeated it!
What happened? Why is everyone sticking together again?
No, we just wanted to celebrate.
Let's dance together.
The runaway race car.
Warm-up complete. I'm in great form today.
Are you?
Cart, why are you here?
To challenge you, of course. Come on, let's see who's faster.
I'm not afraid of you. Woohoo!
Just stay behind me.
Haha! Pass you easily!
Looks like I need to speed up. What's happening?
Cart, you're going the wrong way!
Move! Move!
Cart, what's wrong with you?
I'm out of control! Cyclone, help me!
Oh no, this is too dangerous! I need to stop him! Control center!
Cyclone, what happened?
Smart sports car Cart has lost control! It's urgent! I need backup!
All right, supercars.
Yep, ready.
Mission received!
Supercars, transform!
Rocket race car, Cyclone!
Ultra Radar Police Car Lake!
Hercules Crane, Alex!
Supercars, go! Everyone split up to avoid collision.
Okay!
Beep, beep, please stop right now. Crosswalks are very dangerous. Vroom, vroom, not slowing down. Be careful not to crash. Clang, my arm stretches out. The crossroads can't be passed right now. My big hook swings around. Everyone's safe and sound. Help me, oh help me. I cannot control myself. Help me, oh help me. I am scared, oh no. I'm here to help you. I'll race and catch up to you. I'm here to help you. Don't move anymore.
Oh no! The road ahead is under construction!
We're going to fall in! We're here to help!
Beep, beep, police car is here, shooting a big net to stop you. Back up, back up, back up, pull up and pull some more.
I can't hold on much longer!
Clang, clang, the crane is here, reaching out with my strong arm, lifting you into the air. Sports car, you are safe now.
I'm saved! Thank you for saving me. Glad you're fine.
Hey, Cart! Our race isn't over yet.
Huh. Bring it on. Let's continue the race. Yeah.
Oh, you better fix yourself up first.
The mysterious whirlpool.
The pier is done.
Alex! Alex!
Huh? Who's calling me?
Over here! It's me!
Mermaid Princess, why are you here?
I came to the surface for sunbathing. But I didn't expect to see you here. What's going on?
Mermaid Princess, hurry, grab my hook. Oh no, something must have happened in the underwater. Call the command center. Barry, Timmy, Mermaid Princess has been sucked in by a whirlpool.
Calm down first, Alex.
I'll investigate right now.
Whoa! There's a big crack under the sea!
This must have caused the whirlpool Alex told us about. The sea creatures are in danger.
Upgrade me now. I must save them.
Okay. Let's get Rayber, too.
Okay.
Crane Alex, Mixer Truck Rayber, get ready.
Mission received.
Supercars, transform!
Today's surprise item is Power Accelerator.
Space-time track is open!
Supercars, go! The whirlpool is right ahead.
Be careful. The mysterious sea is in danger. Beautiful princess caught in a whirlpool.
Don't be scared, I'll help you.
Grab on tight, don't let go.
Keep going, don't give up.
Watch out! The big whirlpool keeps on spinning. Round and round, we're feeling dizzy. Believe me, there's a way. Follow me, move forward, speed up and get out. We're safe now.
Some of my friends have fallen into the crack.
We'll save them. I am a big crane, I have a long arm. Tossing my big hook, slowly releasing.
Octopus, turtle,
Little crab.
Shark! I will lift them up.
wow, we are
saved! It's my turn now. I'm a mixer truck, I know magic. Spinning my big tank, I create cement. Flowing and filling up, gushing and filling up. Whirlpool is all gone. Back to normal now. We are saved. Mermaid Princess, what's wrong?
I lost my crown. It must have fallen into the crack.
Oh! Shark, what's wrong? Something is stuck on my tooth!
It's my crown! You found it!
Monster Planet.
Just a little more.
Whoa!
Alex, you're amazing.
You're getting more and more admirable.
I'm the master of assembly. Hey, friends! I'm here! Oh, no! Cyclone! You destroyed the statue that I painstakingly assembled! It's just assembly blocks. Leave it to me. All done.
That's not how it should look.
How about this time?
It's so funny.
You did it all wrong. This is too difficult.
Huh? Someone needs help. Let's check it out. Harry Monster?
Haha, Monster.
Great! We finally reached you!
What do you want? Are you here to create trouble again?
No! We are here to get help!
Our planet is splitting apart! We're about to be destroyed!
This rescue mission?
You can leave it to us. No problem is too difficult for supercars.
Race Car Cyclone, Crane Alex, get ready!
Mission received. Supercars, transform!
Today's surprise item is Space Wings!
Wow!
Space-time track is open!
Supercars, go! My planet breaking apart. Shattering, turning to shards. Oh, my friends, oh, my kin, where have they gone? Can you give us a hand, save our homeland? I am here, nothing to fear. Finding for the right place, travel in space. Speeding up, dashing through planet in view. Push forward with my might back to the side. Stretching out
my long brain, grab the terrain. Pull forward with my arms, slowly we come.
I am here, nothing to fear. One by one, bit by bit, we have made it.
Let's start assembling.
Assemble, piece together. This seems wrong, that seems wrong, everything's wrong.
I'll teach you.
Assemble, piece together. On the left, on the right.
Put on top, put under,
All in one piece. Don't worry, now watch me!
Whoa, hairy monster. Your hair is extremely useful.
Supercars saved our planet!
Supercars! Nothing is too difficult for supercars. It seems like this one does.